Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how you can change your Genshin Impact account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how without skipping it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Let's start by opening a web browser first. Once you do that, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press the enter. This is how it looks like. Now click on the official site and you'll be taken to Genshin Impact home screen. Sign into your account if necessary. Since I've already signed in, you can see that my email address has been displayed right here on top. Now let me tell you what Genshin Impact is before starting. It is an action role-playing game developed and published by miHoYo. The game features an open-world environment and action-based battle system using elemental magic and character switching. Now from the home screen of Genshin Impact, you'll be able to see your username or your email address at the top. Simply click on the account from the expanded menu in order to change your password. From the left-hand menu under Account Management, tap on Account Security Settings, and once you do that, you'll be able to see a Change Password option listed under Account Security Settings category. Now click on the Switch button and you'll need to go through an email verification. Click on Send Code to obtain the verification code, and the code will be sent to your email address. Before that, you'll need to complete this small task over here. Now go to your email address and click open the email that you received from miHoYo. Now select the code, simply copy it and type in the verification code in the text field. After that, click on the next button. Now you can set a new password. In order to change your password, type in the new password in the new password text field. Once you do that, you can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and once you're sure that you want to use this password, confirm the password by typing it again in the next text field. Now tap on confirm after you're done, and that way you'll be able to change your Genshin account's password in no time. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the new password you just created. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.